Hi everyone, my name is Blake Vandevoordy, District Sales Manager for the Outback brand by Keystone RV. Today we're standing inside our brand new 291 UBH Outback Ultralight trailer. It features a double over double bunk, outside kitchen, as well as a super cool hidden pantry behind the entertainment center. Plenty of room for all your goodies. Now let's go take a look at the rest of the trailer. So now you can see why the Outback 291 is the perfect trailer for growing families that need storage space and maximum sleeping capacity. So for more information, go visit your local dealer or visit Keystone RV online.